In this video, I'll guide you through how to invite a user to your Cloudflare account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what options to look for, and how to send invitations to one or more people in just a few moments. Let's start from the very beginning at the Cloudflare dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard page where you can see your websites or services. This is your central control panel for everything related to your Cloudflare setup. From here, the next thing you need to do is select the account you want to provide access to. Some people only have a single account, in which case Cloudflare may select it for you automatically. Others might have access to multiple accounts, for example, personal and business. If you see an account menu or a drop down at the top of the page, click it and choose the specific account you want to share. This step is important because the invitation you send will only apply to the account you've selected. Once that account is active, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu is where you'll find all of your account and configuration options. Scroll through the options until you see something labeled Manage Account. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a submenu will appear underneath it. From that submenu, select Members. This is the area where you can view everyone who currently has access to the account and where you can invite new people. After the Members page loads, you'll see a list of existing users, if there are any, along with their roles and status. Somewhere on this page, usually near the top right or clearly highlighted, you'll find an Invite button. Click the Invite button to start creating a new invitation. This opens a form where you can specify who you want to add. Now, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in the email address carefully, since this is where Cloudflare will send the invitation link. Make sure there are no typos, and consider double checking with the person you're inviting to confirm you have the correct email, especially for work or shared accounts. If you want to invite more than one person at once, you don't have to repeat the entire process for each user. Cloudflare allows you to add multiple email addresses in the same field. To do that, simply type the first email address, then add a comma, and then type the next email address right after it. You can continue this pattern for as many people as you need to invite, keeping each address separated by a comma. This makes it quicker to set up a team, a group of colleagues, or a client and their collaborators in a single step. When you're finished entering the email addresses, you can review them one more time for accuracy. After that, you're ready to proceed with the invitation process and let Cloudflare handle the emails from there. And that's it. You've gone from opening the Cloudflare dashboard to selecting the right account, navigating to the Members section, clicking Invite, and adding one or more email addresses to send out your invitations.